Hi, boys and girls. We are doing more number line practice, of course. So let's give this a try. You should be like number line experts by now. So I'm only going to do a couple with you, and then you can finish the rest on your own. The first one is 2 plus 2, and we know that that is a doubles fact, but also we can use our number line to help us. So 2, and then I start on here, and I hop 2 spaces, and I end up on 4. 4 plus 1 is pretty easy because we just know that it's the next neighbor. So we do 5. Oh, these are so easy. I give you easy problems, boys and girls. 3 plus 0, because it's a 0, it just stays the same number. So you don't even need my number line for that. And then I'm going to let you finish the rest of this page and then work on this page. And when you're all finished, I want you to raise your hand.